Hello, welcome again. We are still on terms in mathematics. So let's look at the following definitions. Terms, coefficients, like terms. A term consists of a constant or the product of a constant or one or more variables. While teaching, you will also hear the word terms. Now, 7 is a term. X is a term. 5x is a term. 10ab is a term. We can also consider this x plus y as a single term. That is, when you are trying to describe a particular thing, we call it a term. X squared is a term. X plus 2 power 2 is a term. That's why sometimes when the solution is going on, you will see the teacher consider this as a single item. This as a single item. 10ab as a single item. Let me take terms. A term consists of a constant or the product of a constant or one or more variable. So 7 is a term, x is a term, 5x is a term, 10ab is a term, x plus y is a term, x squared could be a term, x plus 2 raised to the power of 2 could be a term. Now it is this way. When explaining or solving question, this 5x can be considered as a single item. This 10ab can be considered as a single item. This can be considered also as a single item, and that's why we identify them as terms, though they can still be broken down, though they can still be simplified. Let's move ahead to coefficient. Coefficient. This is a number that is multiplying a variable. You see this one here, 5x. The coefficient of x is the variable, 5 is multiplying x. So 5 here is the coefficient of x. Take a look at this second one, 6x squared. 6x squared. The coefficient of x squared is 6. Take note, in equations, there are differences between x and x squared. The coefficient of x squared here is 6. The third one, the coefficient of y. This y, the coefficient is 1. Anytime you just see a single alphabet, is called, there is an invisible one. If you see A, there is an invisible one attached. If you see X, there is an invisible one. Now let's look at this equation. Let's look at this expression. 8x squared minus 15x plus 20. Here, the coefficient of x squared is 8. The coefficient of x is minus 15. Minus 15 is multiplying x, while 20 here is a constant. Take note, in this particular expression, there are 3 terms. 8x squared is a term, minus 15x is a term, 20 plus 20 is a term. So we are going to consider these separately. Now, like terms. Like terms. Like terms are terms with common variables. Like terms are terms with common variables. You would have add the like terms. Let's collect like terms together. You should be able as a student to identify like terms. The like terms here are, if you look at this, let me read out this expression. X squared plus 6x plus 2y plus 8x plus 5y plus 2x squared. Let me count the number of terms I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 terms here. Now let's identify the like terms. The like terms, they are going to be, I will start with this s squared. The like terms here are, this is s squared and this is 2x. So the like terms here are x squared and 2x. This is a set of like terms. Here, 6x and 8x is a set of like terms. And we also have 2y and 3y is another set of like terms. Now, you hear the word combine, collecting like terms or combine like terms. Let's do collecting like terms or combining like terms. In the process of solving, there are cases where you need to collect like terms. It means bringing all the like terms together at a particular place. Here we have already identified the like terms, so I can rewrite this expression as s squared plus 2s squared plus 6x plus 8x plus 2y plus 3y. We have brought all the like terms together. Now, if I want to solve this, this is the coefficient of s squared here is 1 and the coefficient of s squared here is 2. That's 1 plus 2 will give me 3s squared plus the coefficient of x here is 6. The coefficient of x in this term is 8. 6 plus 8, 14x. In this place, I'm going to have 2y plus 3y, which will give me 5y. 5y. Now, in this final expression, the coefficient of s squared here is 3, coefficient of x is 14, coefficient of y is 5. Hope we are learning this.